Don't buy critical illness insurance because your government health plan is enough. Totoo ba talaga ito? Hi, my name is Mylene Marasigan. I'm a licensed insurance advisor for over 12 years now. Ganun din ba ang iniisip mo? Dahil may OHIP ka na or may health plan ka, enough na. Pero teka, whichever part in Canada you live, government health plans can only cover medical treatment. It's not going to pay your mortgage, it's not gonna buy you groceries, or take care of your utility bills while you're getting better and cannot work. Kaya, dyan pumapasok ang critical illness insurance. Let me give you an example. Halimbawa, may $50,000 coverage ka sa critical illness, and assuming $40 lang yung binabayaran mo per month. Now, kapag na-diagnose ka ng covered condition like cancer, heart attack, or stroke, you can claim the whole $50,000 in one lump sum, which is generally tax-free. Not only that, you can use it any way you want it. Kaya next time na may magsabi sa'yo na enough na yung government health plan mo, alam mo na yung sagot. Pero, alam mo ba na 1 out of 3 men and 1 out of 4 women will be diagnosed with a critical illness condition before they reach 65 years old? I will explain why it's important to calculate your numbers in part 2. Once again, this is Miss Mylene Talks, where better conversations create better decisions.